Division is a mathematical operation that is used to find out how many times one number can be divided into another number. For example, if we divide 12 by 3, we are finding out how many times 3 can be divided into 12. The answer is 4, because 3 can be divided into 12 4 times. Division can be a little bit tricky at first, but it is actually a lot of fun to learn. Here are some steps to help you learn division. Start by learning your basic multiplication facts. This will help you understand how division works. Practice dividing small numbers. Once you know your basic multiplication facts, start practicing dividing small numbers. Use a division chart. A division chart can help you learn how to divide. Divide larger numbers. Once you are comfortable dividing small numbers, start dividing larger numbers. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you get stuck, don't be afraid to ask for help from your teacher or a parent. Division can be a lot of fun to learn, and it is a very important mathematical operation. By following these steps, you can learn division and become a better mathematician. Here are some additional tips for learning division. Use real-world examples. When you are learning division, try to use real-world examples. For example, you could divide the number of students in your class by the number of chairs in the classroom. Make it fun. There are many ways to make learning division fun. You could play division games, or you could create your own division puzzles. Don't give up. Learning division takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Just keep practicing and you will eventually get it.